Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find if someone has blocked you online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up online application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So Line does not notify the users when they have been blocked. So there is no direct way to confirm unless you try few methods. So there are few methods that you can try in order to confirm if someone has blocked you or not. The first thing that you can do is simply try creating a group chat and adding them. If they have blocked you, you will not be able to add them. So what you can do is simply tap on this icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for create a group. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to choose the friends. If you tap on the friend profile and if you're not being able to add them on the group chat, that means you have been blocked by that person. So like this, you'll be able to know if they have blocked you or not. There's also another method that you can try. For that, what you have to do is simply go back. Now in home interface, you'll be able to find the section for friends. You'll be able to see all your friends over here. Simply tap on the friend that you suspect has blocked you. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option chat. Now the chat of that friend will be opened. So what you can do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for photos and videos. If you have shared the photos and videos with each other, you'll be able to see the photos and videos over here normally. But if they have blocked you, you'll be able to find the message no photos or videos found. So that also indicates that that person has blocked you. So there's also another method that you can try. For that, what you can do is simply try calling that person. Over here, you'll be able to find the call icon at the top right corner of your screen, just right next to the three lines. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for voice call and video call. Tap on the option of your choice. Let the call ring until the time outs. If the error message pops up, that means you've been blocked by this person. So like this, you'll be able to know if you've been blocked or not. So that is how you find if someone has blocked your online app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.